Now let's say you are somebody who has been working on aptitude from last a decade, I would say. ठीक है? So let's say अगर मैं क्रिकेट की एनालॉजी बताऊं, so let's say you are सचिन तेंदुलकर, ठीक है? एंड अभी जो बच्चे हैं जो अभी कैट करना चाहते हैं, राइट, कैन दे मैच अप योर लेवल? सो इन अ क्रिकेट वाला एग्जांपल, अगर कोई अभी एक 18-19 साल का बच्चा है, अगर उसको सचिन बनना है कुछ दिनों के बाद या कुछ सालों के बाद, तो ऐसी क्या चीजें हैं एटलीस्ट कैट एग्जाम में कि स्टूडेंट्स ने वो करना चाहिए, बिकॉज ऑफ विच एक 80-90 परसेंटाइल वाला बच्चा 95-96 परसेंटाइल क्रॉस करे? If you can put in the bullet points, that will be really great.
Definitely practice. I would say
Yeah.
if you don't have a strong section, make quant your strong section, because I feel like with enough practice. So quant is all about practice. However
Right.
smart you are. So my logical was good, but my quant wasn't. So quant is not about, okay, there may be a little bit of smartness, but it's more about practice. So
Right.
practice more. Try to understand the basics. It's very important to understand the basics, the formulas, the concepts, where they come from. Be a little more interested in how this is coming, and not just using the formula anywhere, because I mean,
Okay.
you may not remember the formula, and not all questions are just directly based on formula, but if you understand the method from where formula came, especially in solving questions in algebra, I mean, there are a lot of tricks and things which are involved. You may not know all the concepts in algebra because it's vast, but you can figure out something, and the more you know, the more chances of you connecting the dots. So I feel like quant, practice, practice, practice. If you don't get it at the start, it's totally fine. Just keep being regular at it, being practicing more, reading more concepts, reading from different books. So just widen your scope and practice. And I believe you can totally master quant. uh, VARC, try to form a strategy, try to understand what works for you, and you can totally, like, these two sections are very easy to conquer. Logical, again, if you practice, I believe there's no reason why you can't do well in logical. Like, try to start out with a question. And logical is all about having fun. Okay, don't be very stressed. Okay, I'm not able to solve this question. What do I do? Just be free in logical, because it's a puzzle, right? So you can, try to attempt like one logical puzzle every day or two logical puzzles, and it's fun. So just take it as fun. Try to attempt different kinds of puzzles or whatever. It's all about figuring out that one link. And I mean, if you get once you get accustomed to it, you can do well in logical, because I don't think there is any other thing which I have done which differentiates me from you guys other than being accustomed to solving logical problems. So if you accustom yourself by practicing, by solving one or two puzzles every day, then you can totally master logical.
Let's talk about your converts and what all calls you got. How many calls you got? Like all IMs?
No,
couple of them.
for interviews or the final. Okay, for interviews, I got Kozhikode, Indore, Mumbai, and although
All the new and BBM.
yeah.
ठीक है. And how many of you have converted out of those? I think अगर new और baby AMs को भी consider करेंगे, so all calls converted.
I think almost all. So I converted Kozhikode, Indore, Mumbai, Raipur, Udaipur, the main ones.
वही मैं. Yeah.
Yeah, the baby ones, I think maybe one or I think I convert. I didn't keep up with it. So
That's okay. That's okay. Mostly मुझे लगता है जितना आया उतना convert हो गया. But she has chosen to go to IIM Mumbai over and above Indore and Kozhikode. So that's her own decision, because she's a Bombayite and she would love to stay back in Mumbai.
anyway,
Fair enough. And your academics, if I'm not wrong, 9, 8,
9, 8,
7.
7. Yeah.
हाँ, तो भाई जितने बच्चों को एकेडमिक्स की प्रॉब्लम है, लोड ना लेना, इनका भी डिप हुआ है 9 से 8, 8 से 7. कूल है यार, कूल है. श्रिया, any 2 cents from your side for CAT 2024 students? Anything that you want to tell them? Anything?
I would say just enjoy the process, because CAT is one exam. It's not JE, it's not NEET, or it's not any other exam where you have to study a lot and
Hmm.
it stresses you out and you get bored of it. It's a very fun exam. Just have fun. Don't be too worried about cracking any section. Practice will get you there, so definitely practice. Even if you can't, if you don't have enough time to practice, form a good strategy, because it may actually work. I wasn't 100% sure whether my strategy would work, but it
Hmm.
worked for me.
Hmm.
So don't lose hope. Don't be like, "Arey, only 2 months are left. Should I even attempt CAT this year?" Just give it. And I mean, you should actually be happy about, like 2 months are left. You can give the exam without, having too much pressure. Just be carefree and give the exam. Ki, okay, I haven't done much prep this year, but I have next year. So just this
True.
year is one chance I have. So don't let that chance go, because
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
EQ has a huge role to play in the exam. And
True.
when you're not too stressed, or when you're carefree and you're just giving the exam in a very happy mood, it is totally possible that you may actually get really good marks. And you may score well and above people who have been studying for a year or 2 years and are super stressed. Okay, I've been studying for so long, I have to do well in this exam. You don't have
Hmm.
that pressure on yourself to do extremely well. So you can freely attempt the exam. So just go for it.
Nice. Nice. श्रेया, थैंक यू सो वेरी मच. ये था पूरा श्रेया का कैट का जर्नी. कपल ऑफ पॉइंटर्स टू समराइज. भाई पहली बात ये है, आईआईटी नहीं है, एनआईटी नहीं है, डजंट मैटर. अगर आपके बेसिक्स फंडामेंटल्स अच्छे हैं, आप कैट फोड़ सकते हो. मॉक्स लगाना ज्यादा जरूरी है नहीं मेरे भाई. अगर आप अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करते हो, मॉक्स 2 लगा के भी श्रेया ने 99 फोड़ा है. आप भी कर सकते हो. तीसरी बात, स्ट्रेटेजी बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. नंबर 4, EQ इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लिस्ट, just enjoy the process and
Totally.
have some love towards CAT examination and studies. And if you have that, you'll be sorted. Shreya, thank you so very much. You're such an inspiration, यार. Trust me. मतलब जो एक stereotypical होता है ना, एक metrics में जहाँ पे बच्चा फंस जाता है, आप अलग हो उससे. So I would love to have another video, maybe 4-5 महीने के बाद from IIM Mumbai, जहाँ पे I would love to
Sure,
have
sure.
you on board, training students for JDPI. Thank you so much.
Oh, okay. I would love that. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks.